Hey guys, what's up? It's Brittany, aka your nail plug. Today I'm going to show you how I remove my press-on nails with acetone and my e-file. You can also use the same nail removal method for gels and acrylics. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is cut all of my nails down. I tried to speed this up a little bit, but it's not really going that fast. But you can see that I'm just going to cut off the nail tips on both hands, and then I'm going to move on to soaking my nails off. Okay, well, we're still clipping nails, still clipping nails, still clipping nails. As you can see, I'm not a freaking video pro here, so bear with me. Now you can see that all my nail tips have been cut off. So I'm going to move on to the next thing, which is going to be removing any gems that were left on that weren't cut off. So I'm just going to use some old cuticle nippers and just take off the remaining crystals. So now that that's done, I'm going to pull out my handy dandy e-file. This is my Kier Sky one. This is my favorite because it's definitely an upgrade from my beginner drill. So what I'm going to do now is just file all of the gel and file that press-on nail down a little bit. And we file in. I'm gonna keep on filing all my nails. And the reason why I'm doing this is just to remove all of the gel and some of that bulkiness from the press-on nail that was on there. It just makes it easier for when I'm soaking my nails off in acetone. I feel like it just penetrates the nail better and it just makes it a faster process. I forgot to mention, if you do not have an e-file at home, which a lot of you probably don't, if you're one that buys the press-on nails. So what you can use instead of, the e-file, you can just use a regular file and just buff the top coat off of your gel nails. You don't have to file down so much, but just a little bit. And really, you don't even have to file your nails. It will just make it a longer process if you don't. So now I have my acetone. I have a paper towel on the bottom just to kind of rub my nails on as they're soaking to kind of get that gooey stuff off my nails. Underneath my acetone bowl, I have a bowl of warm water, which makes my acetone warmer, and I feel like this really helps speed up the process of soaking my nails. So I'm gonna leave these in here for about 10 to 15 minutes. And the tool that I was showing was just a metal cuticle pusher, and I used that to scrape off the residue from my nails. You can use that. You can use the wooden cuticle pusher that comes with your prep kit. So I say save everything that you get in your nail kit when you get the press-on nails, because you can use it later and you probably will need it later. My nails have been soaking for about 10 minutes now. You can see that they're a little gooey on top there. So I'm just gonna take them out of the acetone, and I'm just gonna use my metal cuticle pusher and scrape off that gooey texture stuff, you know, the nail residue. Excuse my fingers, they look super crusty. I noticed that some people use like an oil or Vaseline around their nails when they're soaking off in a bowl. I haven't tried it, but maybe I should. Usually I use those little nail clips and you put the cotton in acetone, so that way you're not submerging your whole top of your fingers into a bowl of acetone. But since I figured some people may not have that at home, I would just use a glass bowl instead. Here you can see there was still some nail glue and nail left on my nails, so I'm just going to soak my fingers back in the acetone for a few more minutes, and then I should get the remainder of the nail stuff off my nails. Hey, okay, we're done soaking in acetone now. So what I'm going to do is take my Kiara Sky e-file and my cuticle bit, and I'm just going to go around my cuticle area and over top my natural nail, just to buff away if there's anything left, like any nail glue or any of my gel press-on nail left on there, and just push my cuticles back a bit with this. This isn't mandatory, but I just like to do it. If you guys are still watching, that's awesome, thanks. I know my camera angle is a little weird just because my camera is so close, and my mini tripod I thought was gonna work better for this, but it didn't. And I skipped a couple fingers just because like my camera is really right there, so it's hard for me to like show my hands, do work on my hands, and record it all at the same time, but you know, whatever. All right, as you can see, there's some dead skin, dry skin, or skin that's hanging off my nail there. So I'm just gonna take my good cuticle nippers and I'm gonna clip some of that skin away. You know, very awkwardly on camera. Once again, it's hard to do this, record, when the camera's so close to my hand. So this is not like another mandatory step that you should take, and be careful you don't cut live skin. A lot of people are against using cuticle nippers. I honestly don't care. Actually trying to have an obsession with cutting my cuticles. All right, anyways. Cuticles are done, nails are buffed, and now I'm going to use my Glazed Essential Cuticle Oil. This one's one with the tea tree. I love this cuticle oil pen. I'm not going to go on about it, but you can check it out on my website or on glazedessentials.com. I carry it on both websites. So this is just gonna, you know, make your nails a little moisturized and not as ashy. You're gonna put this on your cuticle area and your nail plate. Just locks in moisture and promotes a stronger, healthier nail. We've made it to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment if you'd like to see more tutorials. Have a great day. Bye.